Did you know outsourcing is no longer a buzzword? But in fact, it has become an important business tool. Some of the most recognizable names, including Apple, Walmart, and IBM, have outsourced one business process or another. In 2019, $75.2 billion has been spent on outsourcing globally. Now let's look at three major benefits of outsourcing. It allows you to focus on your core business competencies. Outsourcing provides you a great cost advantage. And with this option, you get access to a vast portfolio of specialized people around the world. Visit www.abacuscambridge.com to learn more about outsourcing.